Welcome to my channel, Shen Reads. It's adventure time with this book, My Little Book of Adventure Stories. Today, I will tell you another adventure story of a little kid named Connor. And the title of the story is A Long Time Ago, a story written by Lisa Reagan and illustrated by Angelica Scudamore. A long time ago, just a bit tighter, says Connor, biting his lip as he twists a screw into place. He has built a time machine. And today is the big launch day. He has done test runs to his 3rd birthday and back. But now he wants to turn back time by hundreds of years. He climbs inside, locks the door, and sets the numbers of the many dials in front of him. Then he closes his eyes and releases the handbrake. Whoosh! After the dust settles, Connor unlocks the door and nervously peeps out. It looks like the coast is clear, but he grabs his sword and shield just in case. Connor hears a deep rumble and sees giant footprints ahead of him. Then he sees a dinosaur looming through the trees. Oops! Maybe this is a bit too far back in time. With a few twists of the dials, Connor is on his way again. Hopefully, the new time he visits will have some other people in it. Sure enough, Connor climbs out of his time machine into a world of princesses who need rescuing. It's a good job he brought his sword and shield after all. Kids, do you like the Connor's adventure? Which part of the story you like? The dinosaur time or the rescuing of the princess time? I think I like the part where he rescues a lot of princesses. Now it's time we learn new words from the story we read. Let's try this word. Machine. Say machine. Read the C and H as sh. Machine. Next, handbrake. Say handbrake. Nervously. Let us read slowly. Nervously. Shield. Say shield. Like my name, Shen. Say shh. Shield. Rumble. Say this word without saying the letter E of the word. You call it silent E. Rumble. Say rumble. Next, say the word brought. Brought. Read O-U-G-H-T as ut. So, say it as brought. And lastly, enough. Say enough. Read the O-U-G-H as af. So, say the word enough. Okay then, that is enough for today. Hope you had fun learning today. Till our next story reading. Bye-bye! Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Let's read and learn together.